Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation. Erwin Schrodinger in 1926 developed a fundamental wave equation based on de Broglie equation for the behavior of a small particle electron in motion. The equation is complicated with many variables, but it is comparatively simple. For one electron vibrating in a single direction, the equation is given as follows. For one electron vibrating in a single direction, the equation is del square psi upon del x square plus 8 pi square m upon h square in bracket e minus b into psi equal to 0. This is a linear wave equation, but the electronic wave will be in three-dimensional. Hence, the Schrodinger wave equation has three-dimension equation. Schrodinger wave equation for three-dimension. Del square psi upon del x square plus del square psi upon del y square plus del square psi upon del z square plus 8 pi square m upon h square e minus b into psi equal to 0, where is m equal to mass of electron, h equal to Planck's constant, and E equal to total energy, equal to total energy, and V equal to potential energy, and psi equal to a wave function which is dependent on the space, coordinate and time. And x, y, z coordinate of the system. Hence, Schrodinger wave equation shows relationship among mass of electron m, total energy E, potential energy V, and Planck constant H, and wave function of electron psi, This is the equation number 2. sorry, this is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number first. This is the equation number first. Equation number 2 is also represented as follow. Equation number 2, equation number 2, equation number 2. Equation number 2 is also represented as del square. Del square psi 8 pi square m upon h square in bracket e minus b into psi equal to 0, and where del square is called the Laplacian operator. Del square is called the Laplacian operator, representing as del square is equal to del square upon del x square plus del square upon del y square plus del square upon del z square. Del square psi is pronounced as del square psi. Schrodinger wave equation for H atom. Schrodinger wave equation for H atom. But we will know about derivation of Schrodinger wave equation in the next video, and we will know about Schrodinger wave equation for H atom. Thank you. Okay.